to know actually if you can drink that poison. Because remember guys what Muhammad says? Just drink the poison, get a date, it should help you.
That's right, it says that.
Okay? Date? Can someone go and get a date? And also can someone check if it is poison or not?
Right, I think we should leave that there. I don't know what the public liability is like here, Hamza.
I'm feeling a bit...
Right.
So of course someone needs to question if that is poison or some deception is going there or not.
Sure
we will check that.
Right, thank you. We've just got a time as well. We'll get that checked in the labs shortly. Got a question down here, and then we're rapidly moving to close now. I can see a few more hands. We'll try to get through as many as we can. I'm going to limit the responses to 2 minutes now, because we want to finish just around 9 o'clock. Got a question here.
Okay, the Sheikh was going to prove that he is the real lover of Prophet Jesus, peace be upon him.
Okay, with regard to what Caleb said, that it was an honor for people to die for the sake of someone else in previous cultures and it's no longer honorable, then that would mean you should accept the marriage of Aisha radiallahu anha because it was a cultural accepted fact.